Electron configurations let chemists know which shells and subshells are occupied by electrons in an atom or ion. Let's go over the rules for writing electron configurations. First, remember that electrons have a negative charge and are attracted to the positively charged nucleus. Electrons want to be as close to the nucleus as possible, so electrons will occupy the lowest energy shells and subshells possible. Electrons also fill each subshell before moving up in energy. We know that the first shell is lowest in energy, the second shell is next lowest, but after 3p, the ordering of the shells and subshells is not intuitive. As shown in this graphic, the 1s subshell is the lowest in energy in an atom. Next comes the 2s, the 2p, the 3s, and the 3p. However, the 4s is lower in energy than the 3d. So even though 3s is lower in energy than the 3p, which is lower in energy than the 3d, the 4s is in between two of the third shell's subshells. How do you keep track of the ordering of the shells and the subshells? Use this helpful chart. When writing electron configurations, start with the 1s, which can hold 2 electrons. We fill each subshell before we go on to the next subshell. If your atom has more than 2 electrons, go on to the next arrow to 2s, which can also hold 2 electrons. If your atom has more than 4 electrons, then we go to the 2p, the 3s, the 3p, the 4s, the 3d, the 4p, the 5s, etc. Follow the arrows for the ordering of shells and subshells. You can write this chart on your card.